Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clock in and out with shifts in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking your work hours directly within Teams, making it easy to manage your time without needing a separate time tracking app. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams on your device and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your organization, as this feature is typically set up by your workplace administrator. Once you're logged in, you should see the familiar Teams interface with all your chats and channels. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a series of icons representing different apps and features. Look for the three dots icon, which represents more apps or additional options. Click on these three dots to expand the menu. This will reveal all the available apps you can use within Teams. In the search bar that appears, type Shifts and select it from the results. The Shifts app is what allows you to manage your work schedule and clock in and out for your assigned shifts. Once you've opened the Shifts app, take a look at the top of the screen. You should see a button that says Clock In. This button is your starting point for tracking your work time. Go ahead and click on Clock In to officially start your shift. The moment you do this, Teams will begin tracking your work hours automatically. You'll notice a timer appear at the top of the screen, showing how long you've been clocked in. This gives you a real-time view of your current shift duration. Now, when you're ready to finish your shift and stop the time tracking, you'll need to clock out. To do this, look for the arrow down icon beside the timer that's running at the top of the screen. Click on this arrow to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Clock Out. This action tells Teams that you're ready to end your current shift. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to verify that you want to clock out. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental clockouts. Simply click Yes to confirm. Once you do, your shift time will be recorded and saved in the system. Your manager or administrator will be able to see your logged hours through the Shifts app as well. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clock in and out using Shifts in Microsoft Teams, making it simple to track your work hours right where you already collaborate with your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.